how to buy V-Bucks with Apple Pay. So to buy V-Bucks with Apple Pay, follow these steps. Number one, open Fortnite. Launch the Fortnite app on your device, iPhone, iPad, or Mac. Number two, go to the V-Bucks store. So once you are in the game, go to the V-Bucks store by selecting the store or tab or item shop. Number three, select V-Bucks account. Choose the V-Bucks package you want to purchase. You will see different options based on how many V-Bucks you want. Number four, choose Apple Pay. So when you proceed to checkout, select Apple Pay as your payment method. If Apple Pay is not set up, you will need to set it up first in your iPhone's settings. Number five, confirm payment. Apple Pay will prompt you to confirm the purchase either with Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple ID password. Number six, complete the transaction. After confirming, the payment will process and your V-Bucks will be added to your Fortnite account. Make sure that you have a valid Apple Pay set up enough balance in your Apple Pay account or linked card. So this is how to buy V-Bucks with Apple Pay. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.